What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe and a like. And today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 4 error. The error is how to fix PS4 CE-34335-8. PS4 application can't start, so just going to fix. I'm just share my screen on the left side, and here we are at the screen, and here we go. Simply just check your application, the application up to date or not, which application is not working. Here we go to check the application, check for updates. Here we go. If the application is want update, you just update. If not updated, then go to the system software and check your system software update. If the system software is not updated, you just go and update the system software, and after system software you just go and update the system software. And after that, if it is fixed, if not fixed, then you just go back, turn off your PlayStation 4 and go to the safe mode. There you can just rebuild the database, and after rebuilding database it will be fixed. So that's how that simply you can do it. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one.